Dear students, this is class 5, chapter 4, fraction. Now I am going to give introduction about fraction and types of fraction. Let us see the fraction first. Fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. It represents one or more equal parts of a whole object. That means first we have to take a whole, then we have to cut. Like example, if 3 divided by 4. Now I will give example here. 3 divided by 4 means I am taking one circle. Now I divided into 4 parts. So in this 4 parts I am giving color into 3 parts. Now you see there are total how many parts here? Total 4. In this 4 how many parts are colored? Only 3 parts are colored. So this is called fraction. What is a fraction means? 3 divided by 4 is called fraction. So now you take first 3. 3 is a numerator because it is above the line, so it is called numerator, and the line is called fraction. For in the middle one line is there, so this is called fraction bar. And also we can say division bar, and below the number is called denominator. Below the line one number is there, so this is called denominator. It indicates the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Total how many? In one circle I have taken. In one circle we divided into how many parts? 4 parts. That's why I told that below the line it is called denominator, above the line is called numerator. The line is called fraction bar, otherwise division bar. Next, unit fraction. Unit fraction means a fraction which has 1 as the numerator is a unit fraction. Numerator should be 1. So example, 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 7, 1 divided by 13. Now you see the numerator is 1, everywhere is 1. So numerator should be in 1, that is called unit fraction. Next, like and unlike fraction. Fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. That means denominator should be same. Now you see 1 divided by 4 and 3 divided by 4. Now both denominators are same. Denominators are same. That's why this is called like fraction. Opposite, unlike fraction means that is opposite. Fractions with different denominator are called unlike fractions. Denominator is not same for unlike fraction. Next I am going to give explanation about types of fraction. Types of fractions. First one we are going to see proper fraction. Proper fraction means a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. That means 2 is less than the 8. That means denominator should be biggest, numerator should be less than. So 2 is less than the 8. Here denominator should be biggest, that is called proper fraction. Improper fraction means that is opposite. Denominator should be biggest, that is called improper fraction. Denominator should be less than and numerator should be biggest when you will write the improper fraction, and also equal, and also should be equal. Next one, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means a mixed number is also mixed fraction. One is the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. Now you see, I had given some example pictures. Now you see, here one whole circle I divided into 4 parts, but I colored everywhere, that is a whole circle. So 1, next one also fully colored, so I have taken 1. Next one only one circle but only half only colored, so 1 by 2. So here 1 plus 1, that is a natural number, but half is a fraction because 1 divided by 2, that is a fraction. Now you see 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. Now let us change mixed number to an improper fraction. Convert 3 divided by 9 into an improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. We are going to change an improper fraction. How to find? Here question is 5, 3 divided by 9. What we have to do means natural number multiply by denominator. Natural number means this 5 is a natural number. We have to multiply with the denominator. Here which number is a denominator? 9 is a denominator. Plus we have to do the numerator divided by denominator. Now you see here 5 is a natural number. 9 is a denominator. We have to do the multiply, then open and close bracket, plus we have to do the addition with numerator. What is a numerator? 3 as a numerator. Divided by, we have to write the denominator. Now 5 9s are 45 plus 3 divided by 9. 45 plus 3 is equal to 48 divided by 9. So thus 5 3 divided by 9 is equal to 48 divided by 9. Here convert 9 divided by 2 into an mixed number. This is improper fraction. How did you say this is an improper fraction? Yes, numerator is the biggest number, denominator is the smallest number. So this is called improper fraction. Now that improper fraction we are going to change into the mixed number. Now we divide the numerator 9 by 2. Now what we have to do means we have to do the division. Mixed number, 9 is a dividend, 2 is a divisor. So 2, we have to say the second table, 2 4s are 8. So 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now 4 is a quotient, 1 is a remainder. Now listen, what is the quotient? Quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. That means what is the quotient? 4. So I have written 4 plus, what is the remainder? 1. What is the divisor? 2. So 4 plus 1 by 2, we can write 4 1 by 2. Next I am going to give explanation about equivalent fraction. Write an equivalent fraction in lowest terms. Question number 1. Here 3 divided by 12. 3 divided by 12 means equivalent fraction means when you will say the table that two numbers will come in the same table. That means 3 divided by 12. Which table is possible for 3 and 12? Yes, third table is possible. So we have to do the divide. Divided by 3, divided by 3. So we have to say which table? Third table. When you will say the table, that answer will come 3. So 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. So what is the answer? 1 divided by 4. One more example, 14 divided by 21. So this both number should come in one table. So which table is possible? 7th table. Now which table you are going to say? 7th table. When you will say the 7th table, answer is 14. So 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So answer is 2 divided by 3. This is an equivalent fraction. Next one, find the equivalent fraction of 3 divided by 5 with the first one. 3 divided by 5, but denominator is given. Denominator is 20. I want denominator 20. So now you see 3 divided by 5 is given. I want a denominator 20. So 5 is here. Denominator means which number we have to do the multiply. We can get answer 20. Fourth table. So 3 divided by 5 multiply by 4. When you will do the denominator with that number, that same number we have to do multiply with numerator. So which number we are going to multiply with the denominator? 5 4. That same number we are going to multiply with the numerator also. So 5 4s are 20. So denominator is 20. So we got denominator 20. 3 4s are 12. Next I want denominator 9. Now 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5 means I want numerator 9. Numerator means 3 is here. So which number we can multiply? We can get the answer 9, 3. So that same number we have to multiply with denominator also. So 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Again I want denominator 25. Now I have taken 3 divided by 5. I want denominator 25. 5 means which table? 5 5s are 25. That same number we have to multiply with numerator. So 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. My dear students, only this much only. This is a introduction. I will send the content also. Thank you.